Imagine having a senior consultant analyze any company in the world in minutes, powered entirely by AI.
Consulting that used to cost millions of dollars and weeks of analysis. Now with AI, the same consulting-grade intelligence, delivered in minutes. This is Konsults.ai. Konsults.ai is an AI-powered consulting platform. You can search any public company in the world and our 5 specialist AI engines will run a complete analysis for you instantly. First, you pick your role. Are you a management consultant preparing for a client pitch, a CEO who wants to know what is really going on, or a CIO evaluating technology gaps? Each role gets a completely different lens on the same data. Then you search. Any listed company, any industry, any geography, from Singapore Airlines to NVIDIA to Shell. Just type the name and let the engines work. 5 engines fire up simultaneously. Simulated process mining, industry benchmarking, consulting playbook, AI prescription, and Monte Carlo simulation, all running in parallel on your company. What you get is a full consulting report. It starts with an executive brief showing key financial health indicators, value at risk, and a severity-ranked list of business challenges. These are not generic, they are specific to this company. Each challenge comes with detailed root cause analysis and financial impact estimates. This is the same depth of analysis that a Big Four consulting team would produce after weeks of discovery workshops and interviews. Our process mining engine is unique. It finds gaps in your business processes using financial proxies alone. No ERP access required. No data extraction, just publicly available financial signals, and the AI maps where operations are leaking value. The AI prescription engine then maps 20 enterprise AI initiatives across the entire value chain. It shows you exactly where AI can help, with approach classification and ecosystem recommendations. And everything is fully auditable. Every single number and every insight has a traceable source. You can export the complete audit trail, download consulting decks, and generate PDF reports. Full transparency. Let me show you a quick example. Singapore Airlines. Here's what our engines found in under 2 minutes of analysis. 3 major challenges identified: slow payment collection and cash recovery, invoice accuracy and billing gaps, and order entry bottlenecks causing processing delays. Total value at risk: $22 million to $151 million per year. These are real challenges derived from actual financial patterns, not generic advice. Consulting redefined with AI. Try Konsults.ai today. Your first analysis is complimentary. Search any company and see what our AI engines find. Link in bio.